Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by getting the essentials ready: shop code, Aadhaar-linked phone, and any GST or ration card documents. Once done, open a desktop or laptop for a clearer view. The mobile interface can hide fields. Next, go to the Tnpds login page and enter your credentials. When prompted, approve the OTP on your registered number. You do this because a verified account links to your shop record, so logging in correctly prevents later verification delays and ensures you can edit shop details securely. You now move into the modification screen. Click My Shop or Shop Modification from the dashboard. Once there, carefully edit the fields you must change: name, address, working hours, and bank or GST information, and watch the validation hints so entries accept. When you upload documents, choose the correct file types and sizes. If the system rejects a file, compress or convert it. Make sure to save each section before moving on, because partial saves reduce rework if a validation error appears later. You finish by reviewing every changed field, then submit the modification request. Record the reference ID shown. Once submitted, print or screenshot the acknowledgement for your records and monitor the application via Track Application. If documents require offline verification, be ready to visit the local ration office with originals. Troubleshooting tip: if the request is rejected, read the rejection reason carefully, correct the exact field, re-upload the corrected proof, and resubmit. This targeted fix saves.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.